At the tone, 23 hours, 10 minutes. Coordinated Universal Time.
This week in January 2010, following a massive earthquake in Haiti, Department of Defense deployed elements of the 18th Airborne Corps to Haiti in response to the massive loss of life and devastation in the country. Headquarters Army South later replaced 18th Airborne Corps as the operational headquarters overseeing the U.S. aid response. MARS stations also deployed to Haiti to provide initial radio communications support following the earthquake. Please take a listener survey at www.dodmars.org.